Today we are going to show you how an English birth certificate has been translated into Portuguese line by line in real time. See, this is the target test. So you can see the father's details here. We have the name, we have his profession, we have his nationality, religion, and then we have the mother's details here. We have her maiden name and her nationality, and then the date of birth of the child. For confidentiality reasons, we are not going to show you the names of the people involved. Everything looks simple, right? But no, it isn't. Every date, name, and stamp has to match. You have a document sitting at home, not translated. What are you waiting for? Send us a DM right now and let's sort you out.